These Freshware Meal Prep Containers offer 3 separate sections in each box, making it easy to keep main dishes, sides, and snacks neatly divided for the day. The generous set size is ideal for serious meal planners, allowing you to batch cook for the week and store everything in matching containers that stack cleanly in the refrigerator or freezer. They are made from food-grade plastic that is free of common harmful additives, so you can pack hot or cold meals without worrying about chemical leaching. The containers handle microwave reheating, freezer storage, and dishwasher cleaning without warping as easily as many thinner, cheaper options. Portion sizes are well balanced for typical adult meals, which helps with portion control whether you are tracking calories, macros, or just trying to avoid overeating. Overall, these containers feel like a practical, long-term solution for anyone who wants to eat home-cooked food more often and streamline weekly meal prep.